How to enable voice typing on your Redmi Note device. If you want to enable the voice typing on your Redmi device, first of all, open up your setting app on your mobile phone. Once you are here, you have to scroll down and go for the additional setting. And here you have to select the language and input. Here you have to tap on the virtual keyboard. So just go and scroll down and tap on the virtual keyboard. Once you have type on the virtual or current keyboard, here you have to select the Google Voice Typing here. Just go and select the Google Voice Typing. Once you have type on the voice typing, make sure it's on. You can see that. So it's the first step how you can enable the Google Voice Typing. Also, you can go back and open up any of the app that you want to send the message here, just like this. Once I have opened up my Telegram here, and you have to select the one of the chat. Once you have selected one of the chat here, you can see that you have enabled the Google Voice chatting here. If you want to use the voice typing, just go and tap on the microphone. So you can easily use the voice typing when you are typing the message too. So this way you can easily enable the voice typing mode on your Redmi device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.